Hello, friends. So it is time to think about P2P lending, that is peer-to-peer lending. This industry, which is very nascent in India as well as other Western countries as well, be it US or UK. This industry is very nascent, and in these difficult times, when the government is trying to infuse more and more liquidity and trying to increase the velocity of the credit flow, we need to have a look into the P2P lending system, how this can unlock a lot of uh, cash being out of the economic system as of now, in terms of better deployment of those cash sitting at homes idle without being invested anywhere, or with a choice of poor investments, what we are getting in the banks these days, with very banks being very risk averse and offering very low returns on our deposits. In this context, we need to think about an easy way of lending where we leverage the digital platform on which the borrower and the lender comes, and the exchange happens over there on the marketplace digitally. So and the money is deposited in the escrow account. So that is it's a workable model. It has been supported by the government. Firms like Jopa is Zopa, that is prospering in UK, and similarly firms in US also are prospering with the government support of tax incentive on transactions, and apart from tax breaks, it is uh, proper regulatory system regulating the credit flow in terms of if there's a default, then legal recourse can be taken. So all of these things, how to be integrated with this digital platform and with this new P2P system. So we need to appreciate this industry, and we need to unlock the potential of the cash sitting uh, in houses or not properly invested, especially in these current times, to be deployed in the right way. And that will give a great push with money in the right hands, be it in the form of lending, will give a great push to economy in terms of driving the economy, and the borrowers, in fact, the lenders, in fact, they will have another opportunity to bear higher interest rates corresponding to the risks they are taking by offering more and more money. So this form of lending, I think it's a good opportunity which we need to think upon more in terms of incentivizing it, strengthening it, bringing more structure in it. So it will have an impact, a long-lasting impact, because when retailers are involved in business, then retail lending and retail borrowing and borrowing by MSMEs, it can give a great support to small scale business houses, MSMEs, and all. Even individuals working out to engage in an economic activity with a startup or something will all be incentivized by getting without going through the hurdles of the banks, and the banks anyways are not taking risks these days. So and MDFCs are highly struggling with the NPAs and all. So this is another route to get money. And for the investors, it is a call they can take whether for the higher returns they want to experiment on this. So it's a workable model in the Western countries, and in India also it has a huge potential, what we understand. So let's see how things will unfold, how RBI and other institutions, the government, central government and all, will start thinking of this industry as an enabling industry, an enabling environment for to increase the velocity of our transactions and increase economy. Thank you.